Water. It's one of those things we can't live without, but probably don't think much about what it takes to get to our faucets. In Santa Barbara, we're fortunate to get our water from a number of sources like lakes, groundwater, and now desalination. But along the way between those water sources and your house, different minerals and other constituents are picked up that can accumulate in water mains over time.
A lot of the buildup is mineral buildup, scaling, iron and manganese, things that you traditionally find within the sources of our water. So we have groundwater, surface water, and now desal.
While not harmful, this buildup can affect the taste and look of drinking water, as well as the performance of the water distribution system. To deal with this buildup, the City Water Resources Division has had a water main flushing program for decades. But the old flushing method, used to clear out all 300 miles of city water mains every year, was suspended in 2013 because it had one significant drawback.
The traditional flushing method required use of our fire hydrants within our system, so we would open them up at a certain GPM and flow and flush all the water out of the system. Unfortunately, the traditional method wasted a lot of water.
To be more specific, the old flushing method sent 13 million gallons of potable water down storm drains every year, a fact City Council and Water Resources staff found unacceptable during a drought. After researching less wasteful methods, Water Resources staff conducted a pilot project with an innovative solution called the Neutral Output Discharge Elimination System, or NODES. The technique entails connecting a filtration system to two fire hydrants, creating a temporary loop in the water main system.
We found it to be very successful, and in looking at how to do this long term, we decided that it would be most cost effective to go ahead and procure our own piece of equipment and integrate it into our water main program.
The NODES process pumps the water at a velocity high enough to scour the buildup from the water mains, then passes it through a series of filters that remove sediment, biofilm, and particulate matter. It wastes virtually no water and has other advantages over the conventional method, like greater data acquisition.
Now that it's going through the filter truck, we're actually able to look at chlorine levels, turbidity, things like that, and so we're able to take samples and actually get a lot of data from the areas that we're flushing.
We also realized that there was some benefits to flushing the system in a unidirectional manner, which is to get an idea of the velocities and any restrictions or constraints that may occur in the pipe, and then also get an understanding of the buildup in the water mains in these areas.
The NODES system has been so successful, other municipalities have been looking to follow suit.
We were one of the first to pilot this, and in fact we've had other agencies calling us, asking us how it's going. It's popular, it's going to be the future of flushing and water distribution.
As the Water Resources Division cleans its way through the city's water main system with this cutting-edge technology, you can rest assured that the water delivered to your meter is continually tested and meets or exceeds all state and federal water quality standards. You can also feel good that virtually no water is being wasted to accomplish this.
We're real excited that we were able to procure this piece of equipment and integrate it into our water main program. Really happy with the fact that we were able to pilot it, that it was a success, and that it's got multiple benefits that'll better serve the community long term.